Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer basic sections. The first question is a computer cannot boot if it does not have the option A compiler, option B loader, option C operating system, and option D assembler. So here is correct answer is option C. So our correct answer is option C operating system. Our next question is the amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called vertical space, that is this space, okay, is called option A double space, option B line spacing, option C single space, option D vertical spacing. So here option B is correct, line spacing. So our correct answer is option B, line spacing. Our next question is example of non-numeric data is option A employee address, option B examination score, option C bank balance, option D all of these. So non-numeric data is here employee address. Okay, our correct answer is option A employee address. Our next question is what is embedded system? Here given options are option A the program which arrives by being wrapped in box. Option B the program which is the permanent part of the computer. Option C the computer which is the part of a big computer. Option D the computer and software system that controls the machine. So our correct answer is option D, the computer and software system that controls the machine. Our next question is first page of a website is termed as option A home page, option B index, option C JavaScript, option D bookmark. So first page of any website is called home page. So correct answer is option A home page. Our next question is dash is the appearance of typed characters. Option A size, option B format, option C point, option D color. The correct answer is option B format. Format is the appearance of typed characters. So our correct answer is option B. Next question. When a file is saved for the first time, option A copy is automatically printed. Option B, it must be given a name to identify it. Option C, it does not need a name. Option D, it only needs a name if it is not going to be printed. So here correct answer is option B, it must be given a name to identify it. Our next question is office LANs. LANs means local area networks, which are scattered geographically on large scale, can be connected by the use of corporate means. Option A MAN metropolitan area network, option B LAN local area network, option C PAN personal area network, option D 1 WAN wide area network. So geographically large scale. So this is one WAN, wide area network. Here given option D. Our next question is, where are data and programs stored when the processor uses them? Option A, main memory. Option B, secondary memory. Option C, disk memory. Option D, program memory. So main memory in RAM section. So option A, main memory is correct. Our next question is, dash represents raw facts, where as dash is data made meaningful. So option A, information and reporting. Option B, data and information. Option C, information and bits. Option D, records and bytes. So here correct answer is option D. Option B, data and information. Data means raw facts and information means meaningful data which are made by raw facts.